Here's the snow. Unfortunately, it's about the best I can do to show you. Crows, of course, are upset, as you can hear. I'm trying to show you the road, but it's kind of hard from up here. There's the distances of snow on it, I hope you can see. And there we go.